Hi, I'm Anu and I'll be cooking up a wonderful guacamole recipe today using, of course, an array of beautiful fresh ingredients that are all seasonal, and also two beautiful products, of course, our coriander and lemon plus essential oils. So we will be starting off by prepping, and I'll just show you what we have as part of this recipe. We have our avocados, we have some onions, we will be using some lemon and lime, and we have tomatoes and some coriander. But these two products here will add an extra zing to this recipe, so I'm so excited for you to try it. Let's get started. So we're going to start with prepping our ingredients. Now you'll see all the details on the screen just here. However, let's get going with the coriander. Now we need around 2 tablespoons of coriander, which needs to be roughly chopped, which I'm just going to do now here. And you can see it's a relatively messy job, and I don't always have in my kitchen fresh coriander or fresh herbs. And if I do, we know it doesn't always last so long in a refrigerator, and that's why it's really easy when you keep such ingredients like our coriander plus oil in the cupboard. You can always substitute it, and I've done it many times with other plus oils, pepper and the lemon. Whenever you just need it and you don't have the fresh in the fridge, these are always a great substitute. So we have our coriander, and then we need around a cup of chopped tomatoes as well. So we're going to go in and we're going to chop our tomatoes. So we've chopped our coriander, we've chopped our tomatoes. We're now going to go in with the main ingredient, which is the avocado. So it really does depend if you're having a big party of people coming over, or you just want to get something ready for a quick lunch. But for the sort of amount we're making today, 3 to 4 avocados would be enough, of a medium to large size. So you want to go in and slice very carefully, as you normally would do, your avocado. You can see it's really nice and ripe, ready to go. Chop that up and get it ready for the mixing. So once we've scooped up all the avocado that we want to use, we want to go in and chop up our onion. And again, you can just rough chop this. It doesn't have to be any particular size or shape. I like to cube. There's also a really simple recipe to make with children as well, as long as you obviously do all the chopping. It's always great to let them mix the two together. So we have our tomatoes, we have our coriander, we have our onions, we have our avocados. The last ingredient we're going to get ready is a lime. So the juice of 1 lime, and we're just going to pop it into a hand juicer. And we will add that into the recipe in a moment. Okay, so let's get mixing. Now we pop all of our ingredients into a big bowl. And so we start with our avocados. We have the coriander and the chopped tomatoes. We just put that all into the bowl too. We have our small red onion. Again, if you like more onion, you could add more if you like to, but this is plenty. And then we have the lime juice that we just squeezed. We're going to put all of that in. So we've got all our ingredients mixed in here just now, and we're going to go with our 2 special ingredients. Of course, we have our coriander. Now 1 drop is probably enough because these are very potent oils. But if you like more coriander, you could add 2 drops. So I'm actually going to go in with 2 drops. And then you need around 4 drops of the lemon. And again, if you like it extra zesty, you can add more. And all we're going to do now is blend these all together with a masher, which I have just here. So we're going to go and do that now. Okay, so here you can see we have now mixed up all the ingredients with our plus oils, and you can really go as thick on the chop or as smooth as you want with the guacamole recipe as you want. I like mine at this sort of consistency because it's fantastic on toast or with a nice piece of fresh sourdough. But this is also great for dipping. So let's pour it into our bowl and have it ready to mix up and get ready to serve. And there you have it. So a very simple, easy to make guacamole recipe using 2 of our stunning lemon and coriander plus essential oils. Let us know if you give it a go. And if you want to see more of these recipes, let us know in the comments below. See you next time.